Once tile installation starts, it is no longer easy to replace. So every decision before installation matters. Because no matter how beautiful your tile is, if it is not durable, it will get damaged faster over time. Hello homeowners, DIY builders, and to all our valued Wilcon shoppers. This is episode 3 of the Wilcon Tile Series, where we will help you choose high-quality tiles for long-term use. Are you ready? Let's talk about tile quality and durability. How do you know if a tile is high quality? In this video, we'll explain tile water absorption, Porcelain Enamel Institute rating or PEI rating, and tile thickness so you can choose durable tiles for your bathroom, kitchen, living room, or any high traffic area. First is water absorption. This is one of the most important things that homeowners and DIY builders should understand when choosing tiles. But here's the thing you should remember. Water absorption is also about strength and density. Though water absorption tiles manufactured under high temperatures and stronger compression, resulting in higher density, greater strength, better resistance to cracking and damage. The lower the water absorption, the more compact the tile structure. The fewer the pores, the less likely water can penetrate. On the other hand, high water absorption tiles are more porous and can absorb water more easily. One example is the Arte Ceramiche Sirocco matte floor tile, 60 by 60 centimeters. This is a ceramic floor tile with a matte finish, designed mainly for indoor flooring applications. For tiles like this, more suitable for dry indoor areas like living rooms, bedrooms, dining areas, and hallways. So it means this type of tile performs best when used in controlled areas that are not always wet. Now, water absorption is not the only thing you should look at when choosing tiles. Next is PEI rating. PEI rating stands for Porcelain Enamel Institute rating, and it tells you how resistant a tile is to scratches and foot traffic. Let's check the Verona Tile Rwanda Blanco 60 by 120 centimeters PEI 3. PEI Class 3 means designed for residential flooring, can handle normal daily foot traffic, good balance between durability and design. For example, in a living room, there is daily walking, furniture movement, and normal household activity. So PEI 3 is perfect here because it can handle everyday use without the tile easily fading or wearing. Aside from living rooms, this Verona Winnie polished floor tile is also good for bedroom flooring, small office, dining area, and hallways inside the house. Next is tile thickness. This is one of the simplest indicators of strength. If it is too thin and the thickness is not suitable for the area where you will use it, it will develop problems faster over time. When we say thickness, it is not just about physical thickness. Tile thickness is actually connected to strength, stability, and how premium the tile feels once installed. So when the thickness is better, it feels more solid when stepped on, the installation is more stable, it can withstand heavy load applications, for example, in garages where there is the weight of vehicles. Thicker tiles are needed so they do not easily crack or get damaged. Let's look at the Verona Tile Snow White 60 by 120 centimeter. This tile is a polished porcelain tile. And that already tells you porcelain plus proper thickness is a high-performance flooring. If you are a homeowner, Snow White 60 by 120 centimeter tile is important, especially in areas that are used daily like living room, dining area, hallways, or high-use indoor spaces. So why is it important to know all of these? Because choosing high-quality tiles means less risk of cracks and damages, longer lifespan of flooring, lower maintenance and repair costs, more stable and premium finish over time. It's a long-term investment for your home. Just a quick recap. Tile water absorption means tile strength, durability, and density. Tile PEI rating tells you how tiles handle foot traffic and wear. Tile thickness affects breaking strength and stability. Together, these help you choose the right tile for your space. Visit your nearest Wilcon Depot branch or shop online to explore more durable tile options.